New Zealand yen has a hot trade as well, but it's not the best of the best hot trade. This is what we call a upsize in terms of our hot trade management. It's slightly more risky, but the reward is the risk is great. So hear me out, right? So on the weekly chart, nothing much for myself unless you want to wait for a weekly chart resistance pattern setup. Then resistance is at 88.95, right? To the daily chart, there is a buying opportunity on this bullish bad pattern, 84.96. So you can see that bad pattern is everywhere. So students, don't tell me you can't find it. To the 4-hour chart, nothing much for myself. 1-hour chart, we do have this deep crab pattern, right? So deep crab pattern, we could look for a shorting opportunity at 86.51. But the problem is, what could we do now? Right, so if I head down to the 15-minute chart, there is a bullish shark pattern, right? So the bullish shark pattern is looking for a completion at 85.53, and this is level I want to wait for a magic candle confirmation to head in for a buying opportunity. And 85.53 means that on the 1-hour chart, 85.53 somewhere over here, which is beautiful, right? And having at around this level, right, it gave me a opportunity, should it happens, to have a trading towards the upside, bring me 100 pips trading profit potential, right? I know that the idea of many traders love to trade patterns from C to D, and often not I tell them that these are the patterns that is not completed, it shouldn't regard as pattern. But this is different, right? So on the 15-minute chart, there is a true pattern completion. Once it passes the first target, I shift stops to entry, I monitor the market at critical level, right, before pulling this thing off. I'm not saying that the deep crab pattern will definitely form out. Neither am I saying that the bullish shark is definitely going to happen. But if it does, it gave me a great trading opportunity, or I treat it like a project to engage this that give me a crazy reward is to risk, right? We are talking about 4:1 in most situations, depending on currency pairs, depending on time frame. So if this is something that is really cool to you, you want to learn these skill sets, and every day after graduate from our 1-day training, you could spend 15 minutes to do this. We can commit 15 minutes to do this, then drop me a DM.